open image in background and duplicate background layer as background copy. Select background copy adjust level based on your need. Press eye icon left on the background copy layer to hide and unhide the layer to compare with previous one. Now take clone stamp tool and take sample to omit the unwanted surroundings on the image. Go to view, then active actual pixel. Use pen tool to draw hands outline as a path. Press Ctrl along with select work path to active the draw path. Copy path on a new layer 1. Select layer 1 and use clone stamp tool to retouch the hand skin. Press Ctrl L to bring level and adjust input and output level to adjust color. Use lasso tool to select the out area of the color to inverse and make feather radius 100 and again adjust level to make it soft brightness. Again adjust level to bright skin color. Take eraser tool, adjust brush opacity to decrease the removing level on the object and retouch the skin on your satisfaction area. Merge background copy and layer 1. Hide and unhide to check the difference. Save the JPG file. Thanks for watching our video. We will share our next tutorial soon.